Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, after a long time, I use RealFlow plugin and create different style of particle animation like this. So firstly guys, I'm going to create a simple composition and use cube, this one. So I change tube size. I go on display, select odd shading lines. Yeah. Guys, inner radius I take 190. Yeah. And outer radius and same 200 centimeter. And increase segments. Guys, increase segments like this. Yeah. Okay. So guys, second shape. Now I take cube and change cube size. Cube size I take 2000 and y-axis I take only 5 and last one I take same 2000 centimeter. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, go to front view panel and I go to down. Yes, simple, right? Okay, so guys, select this tube and little bit go on here. Yeah. Okay, so guys, now I use RealFlow, so go on here and use screen. Yeah, and guys, go to again RealFlow and use circle, this one. Yes guys, I change circle radius, so I go to object and breadth size I take 30 centimeter and same tap 30. Yeah, and position go to up. Y-axis, this one I take like 300 centimeter. Yes, right. Okay, so play. Yes, and guys, I increase frame like 1000 frames, 1000, and go to field. Guys, go to particle and actually display and size increase like 4. Yes, see guys, that's my particles. Okay, so now guys, I take sphere and sphere radius I take only 5 centimeter. So select this sphere and make child with flood, this one. Yes, and go to back and play. Yeah, see guys, that's my particles, right? Okay, so guys, now I create more circle like this. So again I take circle and one more time I take circle and rename this emitter. That's my emitter like 1 and third one like 2. I take name and again use flood, this one, and one more time. Yeah, and rename same 1 and 2. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, same I take sphere and radius take same 5 and 5 centimeter. Yeah, so select this sphere and make child with flood 1 and last one make child. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, now select this emitter 1 and that's my flood and delete. Select this flood 1, drag and drop in link. Yeah, same here, delete and connect with flood 2. Yes, and play. Okay, so guys, same change size. So emitter object 30 and 30. And guys, position y-axis I take same 300 and go to emitter 2 and position actually breadth size 30 and 30 and position same 300. Yes, so go to back and play. Yeah, better, right? See. Okay, so guys, now I create movement animation, position animation. So select this emitter and right click and guys, go on here vibrator. Yeah, and enable position check. Guys, position I take like 300 random, 300 and frequency 0.5. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, select this vibrator tag, apply all emitter. Yes, right, simple. and now I change only seed. So select this second one and seed like 1 and animator 2 seed like 2. Yes. So go to back and play. Yes. See guys, that's my animation, right? Okay, so stop. So guys, select this also, this pair out of frame, same like this and up. Yeah, and play. Yes, better, right? Okay, so guys, now I apply collider tag. So select this all, this one, that's my shape, tube and cube, and right click on both object, go to real flow tag and use collider. Yeah, and bounce guys, I take 0 and frequency I take 0.1. Actually this is friction, not frequency. That's my friction 0.1 and bounce take 0, right? Okay, so guys, select this pair and same apply real flow tag. Simple. Yes, right? So go to back and play. Yes, see guys, that's my animation, right? So stop. So guys, see, problem is that it's not fake, so I increase collider distance. So collider distance, increase this one, select both object, this one, and distance like 5 and 5. Actually not 55, 5. Yeah. So go to back and play. Yeah, this one is really good, right? See. Okay, so guys, now I apply material. I already create material, so go to load material and guys, that's my file and material and open. Yes, right? Okay, so guys, apply random material like this one and like blue color. Yes, right? So go to back and guys, apply on here. Yes, go to back and play. Yeah, see guys, that's really beautiful. My materials, it's really colorful, right? Okay, so guys, now I create fly animation. So stop and now guys, go to again real flow. Guys, this time I take noise field, this one, and select this flood link on here, link. Yes, right? So go to back and play. Yeah, see, it's really good. Okay, so guys, you can change also strength, this one. So stop. Guys, now I increase speed. This is so much slower. So I increase speed. So ammeter, and guys, this is speed like 500. Same 500 and last one ammeter to 500. Yeah. So go to back and play. Yes, that's really good. Yeah, much better, right? See guys, that's my real flow, new style of particle animation, right? Okay, so guys, now I apply light. So simple, I take sky and apply sky material. Yes, and right click, go to composition tag, compositing, and scene by camera uncheck and take camera. So camera check, and guys, select this camera and my camera angle like this on 0 frame. Press this animation key and now I go to 700 frames and camera angle like this. Yeah, check. Yeah, actually go on here 700 frames. Yes, and press this animation key. Yeah, and play. Right? See guys, that's my camera movement animation. See, that's really beautiful color animation guys. Okay, so guys, my animation is finished. Now I go on render setting and guys take only global illumination, this one, and indirectly cache I take low, anti, select best. Guys, if your system configuration is better, you can take best, otherwise only take geometry. I have good processor, so I take best and save. I take JPEG frequencies and go to desktop, create new folder, simple renders, and take any file name. And guys, output use only HD frame, this one, and current frame take all. That's it. So go to back, and guys, now last one, go to screen and cache, use cache check, and cache simulation click. After cache, create render. So guys, that's it. It's my particle animation with using RealFlow plugin. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.